Hi Rafiwa, I hope you are good. Okay, so we're just going to go through your spelling list for the week, okay? You've got 9 words that you need to remember how to spell, okay? So I'll just read the words for you now. Word number 1 is adult. You know, an adult is a grown-up person. Adult. The second word is careful. When you are careful, you are making sure that you are when you're being careful with your glasses, you're making sure that you take good care of them and you're not going to break them, okay? So when you take care of something, you are being careful with it. Number 3 is fire. Fire. A fire is a flame. You know, a fire can burn you or it can burn something. Water. I drink water. Number 5, the word is assist. When you assist someone, you are helping them. So the word assist means help. Protect. The word protect means when you make sure that something bad doesn't happen to something or to someone, okay? So your mom will protect you from danger. She wants to make sure that nothing bad happens to you. So she will always protect you. Hands. These are my hands. And then word number 8 is listen. I listen with my ears. And word number 9 is obey. Obey. When you obey your parents, it means you basically do what they ask you to do. Okay? When you obey your parents, it shows that you are respectful because you listen to what they ask you to do and you do it. Okay? So adult, careful, fire, water, protect, hands, listen, obey. What did I miss? I think I've missed protect and assist. Let me read them again. Adult, careful, fire, water, assist, protect, hands, listen, and obey. So remember, we need to be able to write down the words correctly, which means we need to know the spelling. So the spelling and the sounds of the words are 2 different things. The spelling of the words is when you say the names of the letters in the word. So for the word adult, how we spell the word adult is by saying the names of the letters in the word adult. So ADULT. That is spelling the word adult. ADULT, adult. That's how we spell the word. But when we make the sounds, when we read the coding, which means when we are looking at the dots and the lines and the crosses and the caps, that's when we are breaking the word down into sounds. So when we read the coding, that's when we will say the sounds of the letters, not the names of the letters. Okay? So the sounds in the word adult, the sounds that you will hear are a, d, a, l, t, adult. So the coding is when we say the sounds and listen to what they sound like together. A, d, a, l, t, adult. But the spelling is when we say the names of the letters. ADULT, adult. Okay? So in order for you to be able to spell your words correctly, you need to remember your letters of the alphabet. You need to remember them by name. Okay? So if you can just try to remember, I'll take a turn and say my ABCs from A to Z, and then you'll take a turn and say them with me, okay? So I'll start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, let's say them together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So when we are spelling words, we are saying the names of the letters in each word. Okay, we are not making the sounds, we are saying the names of the letters like we've just said our ABCs. Okay, we've got about 5 minutes left to go through all of your words. So I'm going to read the word, and then I'm going to spell the word, and then I'm going to say the sounds in the word. Okay, I'm going to do that probably once or twice for each word with the time left. Let's go check it out. Okay, let's do it. The word is adult. How do we spell it? A-D-U-L-T. Adult. A-D-U-L-T. Adult. What are the sounds in the word adult? A, D, A, L, T. Adult. The word is careful. How do we spell the word careful? C-A-R-E-F-U-L. Careful. C-A-R-E-F-U-L. Careful. What are the sounds in the word careful? K, E, R, F, U, L. Careful. Okay? The word is fire. How do we spell the word fire? F-I-R-E, fire. F-I-R-E, fire. What are the sounds in the word fire? F, I-R, fire. Okay? The word is water. How do we spell the word water? W-A-T-E-R, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. What are the sounds in the word water? W, O, T, R, water. In case you're asking yourself, why does the letter A sound like O in the word water? That is because we have shown that in our coding by using the double line to say that in this word, the letter A is using a borrowed sound. It has borrowed the O sound. So it's not making any of the sounds that belong to it. And in our coding, we show that with a double line. And when you see a cross under a letter, like in the word careful, that tells you that that letter is silent. So you can see it when you write the word, but you cannot hear a sound for it. Okay, I'm going to need to move a little bit faster. I've got 2 minutes left. The word is assist. How do we spell the word assist? A-S-S-I-S-T. Assist. A-S-S-I-S-T. Assist. Sounds. A, S, I, st. Assist. Protect. Let's spell protect. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protect. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protect. Sounds. Pr, O, T, E, K, T. Protect. Hands. Let's spell hands. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. Sounds. H-A-N-D-Z. Hands. The word is listen. How do we spell it? L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen. Sounds. L-I-S-E-N. Listen. The word is obey. How do we spell it? O-B-E-Y. Obey. Sounds. O-B-E-Y. Obey. Word obey. Spelling O-B-E-Y. Obey. Sounds. O-B-E-Y. Obey. Okay. Good luck practicing your